Hello students, today we're going to discuss about cancer. Cancer causes cells to divide uncontrollably. This can result in tumor, damage to the immune system and other impairment that can be fatal. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in the body. So there are over 200 types of cancer. The examples like blood cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Anything that may cause a normal body cell to develop abnormally potentially can cause cancer. General categories of cancer related or causative agents are as follow. Chemicals or toxic compound, exposures or ionizing radiation, some pathogen and human genetics. So these are the things which can also be the causative agents to be the person which is affected as a cancer. There are about 200 different types of cancer. It can start in any type of body tissue. What affects one body tissue may not affect another. For example, tobacco smokes that you breathe in, it may take help to cause lung cancer. Overexposing your skin to the sun could cause a melanoma on your leg. But the sun won't give you lung cancer and smoking won't give you the melanoma. Apart from infection disease, most illness are multifactorial. This means that there are many factors involved. In other words, there is no single cause for any one type of cancer. Cancer, it is uncontrolled and unwanted growth of cells. Cancer is one of the most dreaded diseases of human being and is a major cause of death all over the globe. More than 1 million Indians suffer from cancer and a large number of them die from it annually. The mechanism that underlie development of cancer are oncogenic transformation of cells. Its treatments and control have been some of the most intense area of research in biology and medicine. In our body, cell growth and differentiation is highly controlled and regulated. In cancer cell, there is a breakdown of these regulatory mechanisms. Normal cell shows a property called contact inhibition, by virtue of which contact with other cells incubate the uncontrolled growth. Cancer cell appears to have lost this property of contact inhibition. As a result of this, cancerous cells just continue to divide, giving rise to mass of cells called tumor. Cellular basis of cancer. Cancer is a collection of diseases characterized by abnormal and uncontrolled growth. Cancer arises from a loss of normal growth control. In normal tissue, the rate of new cell growth and old cell death are kept in balance. But in cancer, this balance is disrupted. This disruption can result from uncontrolled cell growth, loss of cell ability to undergo apoptosis. Causes. No definite cause has been arrived at so far. However, it is found that body has proto-oncogenes. These are activated by some substance or stimulus which convert these into active cancer-causing oncogenes. Heavy smoking and alcoholism, chewing of tobacco, consistent irritation of skin or repeated injury at the same point, it may result in cancer. Cancer is a kind of tumorous growth. A tumor can be classified into two categories, that is benign tumor and other one is malignant tumor. So benign tumor is non-cancerous cells. It remains confined to the place of origin and does not spread to other body parts. It is relatively harmless. Benign tumors are those tumors which grow only in one place and they cannot spread or invade other part of the body. Enclosed in fibrous cells or capsule. So they can be dangerous if they press on vital organs such as brain. It stay confined to its original location. But the another type of the tumor is not like that, is a cancerous. Malignant tumor, it spreads to other parts of the body and growth is rapid. This is serious and may cause death of the patient. This type of tumor are capable of invading surrounding tissue or invading the entire body. Invade and emit claw-like protrusion does disrupt the RNA and DNA of normal cells. So these cancerous cells act as a virus. Most malignant cells become metastatic. So what is metastatic? The virus cells. Okay, this cancer cells or act as like a virus because these cells can spread over the different parts of a body. So that is called metastatic. I will show some of the diagrammatic view of metastatic condition. Here you can see the sequential process of metastasis. The blue color here you can see the blue color is an indication of the malignant cell. So this way the virus, okay, the cancer cells is act as a virus because this can protrude all the cells. Okay, so this cancer cells what this cancer cells completely vanish the other part of the organ cells also. So this is process is called metastasis. Symptoms: persistent lump or thickening in tissue, especially in tongue, breast, and uterus. Any irregular bleeding or blood tinged discharge from any body opening. Any sore that does not heal quickly. Changes in the form of mole or wart. Persistent hoarseness in voice, cough, or difficulty in swallowing. So these are the symptoms of cancer. Cancer detection and diagnosis. Early detection of cancer is essentially as it allows the disease to be treated successfully in many cases. Cancer detection is based on biopsy and histopathological studies of the tissue and the blood. The bone marrow test for increased cell count in the case of leukemias. So what is biopsy? Biopsy is a piece of suspected tissue cut into thin section, stained and examined under microscope by a pathologist. Techniques like radiography, CT and MRI are very useful to detect cancers of the internal organs. So whether these cancers are like metastasis in condition. Computer tomography uses X-rays to generate a three-dimensional image of the internals of an object. Treatment. The common approaches for treatment of cancer are surgery, radiation therapy, and immunotherapy. In radiotherapy, tumor cells are irradiated lethally, taking proper care of the normal tissues surrounding the tumor mass. Several chemotherapeutic drugs are used to kill cancerous cells, but some of these are specific for particular tumor. Majority of the drugs have side effects like hair loss, anemia, etc. Most cancer are treated by combination of surgery, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Tumor cells have been shown to avoid detection and destruction by immune system. Therefore, the patients are given substance called biological response modifier such as Ia interferon, which activate the immune system and helps in destroying the tumor. Prevention and cure. Cancer checkup should be done once a year. Treatment should be taken under medical advice. Avoid smoking, taking alcohol and chewing of tobacco. Observe regularity in lifestyle to keep body healthy. So these are about the prevention and cure. Thank you.